More and more people are choosing RV living as an alternative to traditional homeownership, drawn by the promise of flexibility and the chance to explore new places while still having a sense of home. Downsizing, reducing expenses, and embracing a simpler lifestyle are common motivations. For some, it's about waking up to new adventures, while others seek a deeper connection with nature or a break from the routine of a fixed address. Let's take a closer look at what makes this lifestyle so appealing and who might benefit most from life on the road. One of the biggest attractions of RV living is the ability to travel on your own terms. With an RV, you can set your own pace, discovering new destinations and enjoying spontaneous adventures. This lifestyle encourages minimalism and independence, allowing you to experience a variety of landscapes and communities without being tied to a single location. For those who crave flexibility and the excitement of new experiences, RV living can be an incredibly rewarding choice. However, embracing life on the road also comes with its own set of challenges. Limited space means you'll need to be organized and willing to let go of non-essential belongings. Regular maintenance is essential, as RVs require ongoing care for their systems and structure. Adjusting to frequent changes in environment can disrupt routines, and access to amenities may not always be consistent. Weighing these potential drawbacks is crucial before making the transition to RV living. Whether you're an experienced camper or just beginning to explore the idea, it's important to consider how your personality and preferences align with the demands of RV life. Comfort with travel, adaptability to smaller spaces, and a willingness to handle maintenance are all key factors. Think about whether you thrive on solitude or seek a sense of community, as these preferences can shape your overall experience. Reflecting on these aspects will help you determine if this lifestyle is a good fit for you. Before making a final decision, take time to research and prepare for the realities of RV living. Explore different RV options, connect with those who have firsthand experience, and consider taking a short trip to test out the lifestyle. Careful planning, a flexible mindset, and honest self-reflection will help you decide if life on the road truly matches your goals and expectations.